Will AI replace my job? Future-proof your career and income. Discover how artificial intelligence (AI) could impact your job and learn strategies to safeguard your career in the AI age. Embrace the future job market and future-proof your profession today. As AI's capabilities continue to grow, workers are increasingly questioning, will AI replace my job? The integration of AI into workplaces has brought both the promise of increased productivity and fears of job insecurity. Comprehending AI's abilities and limitations is key. AI stands unrivaled in processing extensive data, identifying patterns, and making swift and accurate predictions. But remember, AI is a tool, not a sentient being. Certain jobs are more vulnerable to AI disruption than others. Positions involving routine tasks or easily algorithmic processes are most at risk. Jobs requiring creativity, complex problem-solving, and emotional intelligence face less threat from AI. AI may excel in data analysis and routine tasks, but it cannot mimic the human touch. Emotional intelligence, negotiation, ethical judgment, and empathy are innately human traits that AI can't replicate. To future-proof your career, embrace lifelong learning. Keep up with technological advancements and hone AI and machine learning skills. Also, focusing on soft skills that AI can't replace will guarantee your continued relevance. One way to reduce the risk of job displacement is to create passive income streams. Investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side business can provide a financial safety net. While AI may render certain jobs obsolete, it also presents new opportunities. Roles like AI trainers and AI ethicists are on the rise, indicating a job boom in the tech sector. As workplaces become more AI-driven, it's crucial to develop strategies for resilience. This includes supporting retraining and upskilling workers, as well as providing social safety nets for those displaced by automation. In conclusion, AI should be seen not just as an employment threat, but as a tool for human empowerment. AI can automate mundane tasks, freeing humans to focus on strategic and interpersonal activities that drive innovation. The future of work depends on our ability to harness AI's strengths while nurturing our irreplaceable human qualities. By embracing change and preparing for the future, we can ensure AI enhances, not replaces, our careers.